Hi everybody, welcome to Windy Acres. We got an apple tree here that's pretty overgrown, and we're going to try and tame this thing and see what happens. Keep in mind, this is my first time trimming an apple tree, so take it for what it's worth. Well, that was all the dead stuff out of the bottom of the tree, and I see there's a little more dead stuff up high. I can't quite reach it yet, so we're going to continue trimming on the bottom. I know it needs a lot more trimming to be done to it, but we have some pretty nasty looking clouds coming in, so I'm going to wrap it up for the day and try again tomorrow. So I've already trimmed a lot of dead stuff off the bottom, and now it's time to get into the center. See if we can thin this out. She's pretty overgrown, so we'll try and do the best we can with it. So far, we've gotten quite a bit out of this tree. Probably 90% of what I've taken out has already been dead, so I haven't really done a whole actual live trimming on this tree yet. So they say you can do up to 30% of the live, and I don't think I'm gonna have to. There's a lot of dead stuff in this tree, so we'll keep going and see what it looks like. Well, this is what I did. I don't know if I did enough, too much, or totally butchered it. I have no idea. Like I said, this is my first time doing it. If there's anybody out there in YouTube land that has any suggestions on what else I should do with this tree, trying to get it to produce some decent apples, but like you can tell, it was pretty overgrown. To me, I think it's still overgrown, but what do I know? So drop me a comment. Thanks. So in case anybody was wondering, I am trying out the new Milwaukee snips here. They're pruning shears. And so far I seem to like them. They work pretty good. I got two settings, wide open. Or if you're doing smaller stuff, they'll stop halfway. Go to large. So that's what I was using, and so far I like them. I give it a thumbs up.